Hello guys, my name is Anish, Maths faculty from askIITians. You know that there are infinite numbers in maths, and in these infinite numbers there exist some special numbers. Today I'm gonna discuss about a very special number that is called pi. Everybody knows that the approximate value of pi is 3.14. Now let's discuss about the history of pi. Even if I had all the remaining time of universe to answer the question, what is the exact value of pi, you will be impossible to give a finite answer. The reason because the pi symbol, which represents the ratio of circumference to the diameter of circle, is an irrational number, meaning that its decimal places continue forever without stopping and without repeating itself. Although this effect is universally agreed upon, mathematicians continue to seek more and more specific values of pi with a current record of 5 trillion decimal places, seeming unnecessarily task you might think. Since the circumference of Earth can be calculated to an accuracy less than 1 centimeter using just 10 decimal places, and not even the precise physicist requires more than 15 decimal places even at the quantum level. But such is the magic of pi that mathematicians have devoted their life in understanding this symbol better, and this remains the hope that other mathematical mysteries may be unlocked.